Hi, it's Starnell with Way Living Recipes, and today I'm going to be air frying some chicken drumsticks, also known as chicken legs, in the Ninja Combi Multicooker oven and air fryer. And we'll see how that goes. And let's get cooking right now. Alright, so I've got 5 chicken drumsticks here. I'm going to be using some lemon pepper and some Old Bay seasoning to season things up. So, very simple preparation for these. And I'm going to basically turn them so that one's like facing this way and the other facing like that way. Turn it over here. Just going to season one side with seasoning real quick, then season the other side. I mean, you can't get any simple preparation than that, can you? And these chicken drumsticks are already thawed, so use fresh or thawed with this particular setup that I'm showing you, although this cooker can cook things from frozen, and I've shown it cooking things from frozen before successfully. But basically flip them over on the other side, so get the other side seasoned up, then we'll pop these right on in. So you can, of course, use the seasonings of your choice, what you like to season yours with, and you can always leave a comment with your favorite seasonings for everyone to consider. I like this combination because the lemon pepper is kind of mellow, but the Old Bay here is a little hot, so it gives you a little heat, gives you a little mellow from the lemon pepper, and so that's all good and seasoned up there. Alright, so with things seasoned up, got them in the cooker here, going to close the door, turn the cooker on. It's already on air fry. Going to up the temperature to 400, well here, up temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooking time, I'll leave it at 20, well, I mean I don't think it's going to take 20, so I'm going to put it on 15. I'm going to try and flip them about halfway, well maybe after about 10 minutes. I'll flip them after 10, because then they'll be good and crisp on one side, Lord willing. Flip them after 10 and then let them run the other 5 on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start, and we'll let these run for 10 and then I'll flip them. Alright, things have been going for about 10 minutes. I'm going to pop it open and try and carefully get this pan out and just kind of flip things over. There we go. Tell me how you think things are progressing so far in the cook. And now I'll get these back in, get these tongs cleaned off, and we'll let this continue. Alright, so 15 minutes of cooking. I'm going to go ahead and check the temp of these here. We'll see if they're fully done. Let's see. This one here. It's in the 140s, 150. We're a little short. So we'll get this cleaned off and we'll take it back to 400. We'll give things another, I don't even think it needs 5. I'm going to give it 3. And I know about carryover, but I'm going to cook them all the way. Alright, 18 minutes total. And so we'll see how things are done after a total of 18 minutes. On the air fried 400. Let's see. Yeah, we're hot now. We're 180s. This one here, yeah, it's 165. Yeah, it's good. They're good. Yeah, this one's 160. This one's 162 in there. 161. It's like, and I could, well, I'm seeing some red drip out of there as I bring them out, bring the probe out. I'm going to let them go for 2 more minutes. That'll make a total of 20 minutes, which, you know, I thought it wouldn't take, but I'm going to give them 20 minutes total because I like them cooked all the way, and that's me. So, bring it back in 2. Alright, so 20 minutes total, 10 on each side at this point. Let's see if things are all good now. So this one here, yeah, we're good and hot in there now. I'm getting deep in there near the bone to make sure that I check. And I know some of you are into the carryover game. To each their own, you know. To each their own. I've been cooking here a long time, and I always make it clear I just like to cook all the way, and I like a little crisp on the skin anyway. So they're all done. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get these on out and put them on this plate here. You can tell me what you think about how they look after cooking for 20 minutes. So there we go. And I'll get one of these on a plate, and I'll let them rest for about 5 minutes, but when I bring you back, we'll basically move right into the taste test. Alright, so just to be sure I don't burn myself, I gave them 10 minutes to cool down, and so thank God for this one, and go ahead and taste it, and you can have a good look at it here. Looks good on both sides, well crispy cooked. Had a little piece of something there that couldn't be chewed there that I bit into, so had to discard that. But the meat is moist inside. It's got a crisp exterior, moist inside, which is exactly what I wanted. So it turned out well. The Ninja Combi can air fry your chicken, and it turns out nice. And so you see how it's done there, and you can try it out yourself. And so in this video, nothing sponsored, nothing given to me. I like to stay independent. And so in the video description are lots of ways to help the channel, such as my cookbook, merch, membership, donations, link to the Amazon shop where you can pay the same price, help the channel. And so lots of ways to help out there. And so with all of that said, if you did like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.